as good as me is not grammatically correct. As good as me versus as good as I, which is correct? Out of the two expressions, as good as me and as good as I, only as good as I is correct grammatically. When to use me or I examples? We use the personal pronoun me in objective case when there's some transitive verb which requires an object, as in, he told me that he would go to the market. On the other hand, we use the personal pronoun I in subjective case when there's a verb which requires a subject, as in, I told him that I would go to the market. So, this video ends here about as me or as I, a detailed answer. Thanks for watching.